Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. So I just got done filming the eye look, but I wanted to do kind of a chit chat, get ready with me, and kind of do my foundation and my base and all the other stuff while talking about some YouTubers I think you guys should totally check out. So as I throw my primer on the ground, no, but I do want to make sure that I'm doing this kind of weekly shout out to some pretty awesome YouTubers that are here and on YouTube. That was awkward, just, yeah. This is where I'm at today. So I'm using my Amuse face primer, my anti-redness primer. I'm also playing around with a couple of things that I haven't really had the chance to use, maybe more than like once or twice. The face primer is not one of them. The lip product I'm going to use is not one of them, but yeah. By the way, you will be seeing this look and how I did it and everything in my upcoming 3 looks 1 palette video. Really, I like this primer a lot, and it's only $1 on Shop Miss A. I like it. Okay, I like the primer. So I'm gonna put my hair back behind my ears when I start to do my foundation. But before I start that, I just wanted to talk about one of the YouTubers that I think you should check out, Nikki Nami. I have talked about her before on my channel. She is amazing. I absolutely love her Face Chart Friday videos. I watch all of them. I absolutely love watching her apply makeup. It's funny because my friend Brittany and I were talking about her today, and we were both just like, she is so good. She is so good at replicating these face charts. It's just amazing. If you haven't checked out her channel, I highly recommend it. She and everyone else I mentioned will be linked down below. But I also like what she's doing now. She's doing these kind of like summer looks, and I really love it. I could watch her put makeup on all day. She is very good, and she's just good at what she does. And I don't know if she knows how good she is, because she's amazing. And yeah. So with that being said, the foundation I'm going to use is the Colourpop No Filter foundation. I wore this one time and I didn't really get to like test it because I'm in Arizona and it's flipping hot. And I decided to wear this when I was going to be outside all day, and I don't always feel that that's like the most accurate, because everything's going to melt off my face in this weather. Because it's Arizona. And I was out in 110-degree weather when I wore it the first time. I mean, it told me that it's not a good hot weather foundation, which is fine. That's fine. It doesn't have to be. But I do want it to be able to last at least a little bit, so I thought I'd try it out again. I don't know that I'm going to really do a wear test or anything with it, but I mean, I'm going to let you know my thoughts on it regardless. If you want me to do like an actual wear test, just let me know. I just feel like so many other people have done that already. But I can honestly say this foundation does not hold up in the heat. It like broke apart on me horribly. But I do like the way it first like looks on the skin. I think it looks really nice. Sorry, my dog's gonna bark. Somebody open their door outside. Heaven forbid other people do things with this little dog in my house, because she just can't handle it. Peach, come here. Come here. Come here. She's being defiant. I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. So the next person I want to talk about is Katie Ann Henry. Oh my gosh, you guys. If you have not seen her channel, just go check it out. She's going to be linked down below. I am always amazed at the makeup looks she does. They're just so beautiful and not like what anyone else is doing here on YouTube. And just go check her out. Like, I mean it. Go check her out because holy cow. And I'm not even kidding, like amazing makeup looks. The one I watched today, she did like cutouts on her face, but it was just amazing. And the eye look she did on the other eye, oh, I was impressed. I love watching people who do a lot of tutorials on their channel because it inspires me. And you really get to see how the product works. I think that is a thing that some people forget when they just want the reviews. I'm like, watch some tutorials of people actually using it. See if they're struggling using it. But no, she is seriously amazing. She does some of the most beautiful makeup looks I have ever seen. Okay? Go check her out. I'm just like, just amazing stuff. And I'm just like, how do you only have 900 subscribers? You need 9,000. So I'm using the Colourpop pressed powder. I haven't used like, well, okay. I've used a couple of loose powders recently, but not pressed powders. I've used a couple of pressed powders. I can't talk today. I'm sorry. But not super recent or anything like that. My brush smells weird. I just washed a bunch of my brushes, but okay. I think that's good. The next thing I'm going to use is this Wet n Wild Contour palette, and this is in Dulce de Leche. And Raven was kind enough to send me this a while ago. I just haven't gotten around to using it, and I don't know why. Okay, I do know why, but I don't want to use said other product on camera. We're just gonna quietly use that sucker up. But I haven't tried this but one time, so we're just gonna see how this goes today. So far so good. This is really powdery. Okay, while I'm doing that, the next person I want to talk about is Amanda Gard. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love her. She cracks me up. Especially recently, some of her videos are just, so funny. If you haven't watched her, I would. She does some of the best reviews. She's very thorough with her reviews. If you're wondering why her videos are long, it's because she is thorough. I'm just gonna kind of like veil over this because it's a little much. But she's one of my really good friends here on YouTube. I absolutely adore her. I met her on Instagram and we just clicked. She cracks me up. Oh my gosh. I'm having it's like struggle bus day. Oh gosh. But she's just so funny. I just love the humor and just the way she is with her videos and just how honest she is and the way she always does her makeup. She's a lot of fun. So I'm going to use this Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush Prim Vixen blush. I've only used this a couple of times and I'm feeling like I need an intense blush. That's pretty. But no, seriously, go. All these people, I mean it, go check them out. The next person is Karen Harris. I freaking love her. I love her swatch party videos. I love that she flipping gets every palette ever because I can then watch her use it and not feel like I need it in my collection. But I also want to see her use it because I 1000% trust her and think she is just the most honest person ever, because she's just like telling you how it is with certain things, and she does not sugarcoat things, which I think is needed sometimes, especially in the beauty community. I'm going to go in and I'm going to take the shade Queen and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight for my eyes. But I love her. She is awesome. I've done a collab with her before and I want to do another one. So Karen, if you see this, just know I want to collab with you again because that was so much fun. But no, I love it. I love that she gets so many palettes. I love that she's just honest and she just tells you exactly how she feels, and she's not sugarcoating it. Like I said, she's just blunt, and sometimes you just need somebody who is blunt and that blunt. So I appreciate that. I'm taking the shade Illusion here. It kind of has a blue shift to it. I don't know if you guys can see, like a blue purple shift. Just thought it went really nice with the eye look. But yes, go check out Karen. She's awesome. The next person I want to talk about is Just Call Me Joe. Joe is one of the sweetest people here on YouTube. She is so supportive of other people's channels, and I just absolutely adore her. My favorite videos from Joe are her car vlogs / car rants. I love listening to her talk about all of that. I love to do collabs and stuff with her because she's just genuinely a sweet person. And I think she deserves many more subscribers because she is just entertaining and very sweet. So yes, if you haven't checked any of these wonderful YouTubers out, I highly recommend going to check them out. I mean, after you watch this video. But yes, go check them out. Can you guys tell I was going very like colorful and bright? 80s pop. Born at the tail end of the 80s, but sometimes I'm like, I should have been born in the 80s because I love this kind of stuff. Okay, now we're gonna do my lips. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh man. So I'm gonna use the mirror in here. I don't know why I'm telling you that. I'm taking the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Pinwheel, and that's going to be my lip color. Fix my hair here. Give myself a little spritz. Well, now that my video is coming to an end, it's that time where you need to go check out those other YouTubers that I mentioned. And if you are a small YouTuber, let me know. I would love to check out your channel and support other small YouTubers. I am looking for other small YouTubers to shout out as always. I do have many others that I want to shout out as well. I am planning on doing these videos, as I've said before, every single Sunday, so that you guys will get to see who I am watching and who I think you guys should watch as well. By the way, I'm considering anyone under 10,000 subscribers and under as far as small YouTubers go. Some of the YouTubers I watch who are also small have a lot more subscribers than that, but they're still in the small YouTuber range. But for my purposes, I'm doing 10,000 subscribers and under. So just so you guys know. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thanks again, and bye!